How to use Trello for personal tax management. Hello friends, in this video you will learn how you can use Trello for personal tax management. Using Trello for personal tax management can help organize your life and also increase productivity. All right, so it's very easy. All right, let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you will go to your own page. This is how your own page looks like. With this home page, you'll see the recent things that you've done on your account, and then the next step is to go to bot. Now, for you to use this particular software or site for personal management or personal tax management, the best thing is to create a board that's a personal board. All right, you can just name it with my taxes or something else that resonates with you. Okay, so for me, I'm making use of this simple project board. Okay, now if I want to rename this here, I'll just highlight the name here and name it my taxes so that I can know that it's a personal board. Okay. So once you have that done, now that you have a personal board, the next step is to set up lists for different categories. You can create lists to categorize your tax. All right. It could be today, then tomorrow, then this week, then that week. Just ensure you arrange your tax according to order of preference, and then you have to add cards for individual tax. So yeah, on this page now we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 lists. So you can now adjust this list to suit you. Okay, for example, maybe you want to change the heading to Monday, Monday. Okay, and then you can just click on the card to open up the card. Then you click on the picture here to edit the picture if you want, or if you want to leave it that way, you can leave it, or you can remove it. You can upload a new one depending on what you want, and then you can now come here and then change the description, add a checklist if it's a lot of taxes that you want. Just make sure it covers everything needed for your personal tax, and then you have to prioritize your tax, and then you can prioritize your tax by using labels. Okay, so you can mark them according to their nature. For example, now this card, if you've listed out a list, or you've added a list of card. Okay, for example, now under this list, this is one card, so you can just give this card a label. For example, if it is the most important one, you just add red to show that it is urgent. Then you can now add another card. At this card, it could be um grocery, and then click on add card. And after adding the card, you can give this a label too. Depending on the order of preference, you can use orange for this. So like that to show their order of preference. Okay, and then you can also use the calendar power up to enable the calendar power up to view your tasks on a calendar, helping you to manage deadlines and plan ahead. And then you can reflect and adjust. Okay, you can come back and adjust it to suit your taste for your personal tax management. So this is basically how to do it. Just find your way around it, organize your board to for it to be functional and efficient for you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.